Can you be a housewife? I'm talking to the women today in this episode or in this life. I am directing this topic to my beautiful, I would have said my fellow women. I'm not a woman actually, but I know I have beautiful women out there. I have daughters, I have a wife, and I have sisters. And therefore, I'm not going to deceive you in this topic. Stick around and hear what I want to say in this topic. 3 reasons why you must consider the role of a housewife. I want to talk about this because, especially we the Igbos, it's not our culture to underrate and toil with the issue of a housewife. But these modern ladies, now modern ladies, hey, their own matter is therefore on top of Iroko tree. And so today I just want to advise our ladies because I witnessed a couple of divorces recently, and most of the issue, when you dig it down, you discover that it is the housewife problem. And so I'm going to tell you 3 reasons why you must not deceive yourself or believe what the modern definition is telling you. So I will dive right in. The point here is that I want to suggest you that you should make up your mind to handle and to keep the position of housewife. It is not a chaos situation. It's not primitive. It's not naive. It's not all the names you may want to call it. Now, recently I asked a few people, what do you think about housewife of a thing? And what I heard, some of the things that I heard is unbelievable. And so today I want to throw in 1 or 2 important tips that will help us. So what actually happened was that, okay, let me go direct. It says, let me first define housewife, because the definition we're giving to this topic is not helping. Housewife is actually house superintendent. Let me modernize it. Maybe that is the reason why so many people are running from the name housewife. They hate it. And not just because you married to a bad husband or someone who is pompous, who is not well brought up. That will not make you to run away from your real responsibility, from that your duty, housewife. Housewife is just innocent duty that God himself prepared and placed at the feet of women. It's unshakable. Even when you ignore it, even it's still there waiting for you. It's still at your feet for you to handle. So the first reason why I want you to consider it is that it is the nature. God designed it and it's unshakable, it's untouchable by any other creature. It is at the feet of women. To every home must have a leader. It's not about the head. Head is different from a leader. A leader is the person that leads that home. So that is why it is very obvious when people are saying all those stuff, I can never be this, that will never, don't even talk about that at all in our marriage. It is there. Even when you ignore it, you are still doing it, knowing and unknowingly. The second one is, it is body honesty. Honesty in the sense that when you are pregnant, you will deliver the baby, and that will cripple you at home. That will keep you by force and by fire at home. So don't think when I say it this way, well, you will soon be pregnant, except you are a man. Only women get pregnant, and that is a privilege anyway. So if you are to be pregnant, you will be at home, more at home. Not that you cannot go out. Pregnancy is not a prison, but it is obvious that you cannot meet up whatsoever you think you have been doing during the time you were not pregnant. You cannot meet up. So you'll be more relaxing, you'll be more needed at home, and home will need you more. So you're already housewife at this time. Third one is that the work you have at home as housewife is enough. How dare you add another one? Why are you adding more problem on yourself? See wahala. People go get housewife work and they go still go carry another one put on top of their head because you are too strong. You are not honest to yourself. Now, I'm talking about this because also some men will not be honest. They won't tell you the truth. When you bring this topic, they don't even know the responsibility that is facing them as a man or the woman, because their parents either did not tell them, I won't marry, I won't marry, I won't marry. You will go carry one woman or carry one man. But you don't know the meaning of your responsibilities. You don't know who go do this one, who do they do this one. But I am actually talking from my own point of view as an Igbo man from Africa. Igbo, make una no dey confused with this modern life. It's causing problem. I'm na Europe, and I have witnessed a lot of divorces by our people. And I will talk more on this matter because the thing just dey vex me. One woman, I know her, she say she cannot be a housewife. And then now her 3 kids have been collected by the government because she is working, her husband is working. By so doing, the house was collapsing before their two naked eyes. The house just fall, giriba. And now go chop your work. Please, my people, this issue of coming to Europe or modern way of life, you can't sabi say you be Oyibo. Even the white people, they have division of labor. And the one thing about this God's creation is that every space must have a leader. It doesn't matter who is heading that position. Every space must have a leader. Space and time works together. So if you become the housewife, maybe not just 10 to 15 years, you know, go tey now. You will become 10 to 15 years, depend on how many kids you have. Another thing is that housewife is not, you must know that you're not just nursing the kids, you're also nursing your husband and the whole people in that house. In fact, it is a duty that God so designed, decorate, carry and put for the leg for the office of the women. It's cherishable, honorable position. If men fit get them, they go, they all they relax for home, they chill. Do you know how many men will go want, may they not go work? Because their chef go give them wahala. When you go work finish, you come back, your body go they pepper you sometimes. So this issue of housewife and no fit be housewife, change the name now to house superintendent. Now one woman they call himself, I am a house superintendent. Like I clap. I even that day I for hear am the first time. I clap for her because me can't like the way she can't redesign the name, can't enjoy her thing. I pray so that our people will repent, because our Igbo people can't they divorce for abroad, they divorce for Lagos, they divorce all over the places, they kill themselves, they fight for small problem, waiting no even reach anything. This is not good. It's not good at all. Make we repent. Let's change. Can you be a housewife if you're a woman? Yes. Housewife is not a prison. Housewife is not making you less. And if your husband is not appreciating him, tell him. And if he doesn't want, leave him. Don't wait for anyone to appreciate you. Appreciate yourself. You know what you are doing. You know the value of what you are doing. If no one else knows, you knows the value of what you are doing. Keep that work evergreen. Keep on doing it, because soon you will reap it. And if you don't do that and your house collapse, you will suffer more. Mostly the women suffer it more. So you won't be able to forgive yourself. If the kids start to misbehave, if the man start to, because you are the mother. Come on, you are the mother. Now you the mama. Mama, you know? Okay, that is the end of today's topic. I will bring you similar thing again tomorrow. Remember, this is na Igbo channel. I also teach Igbo for this channel. Please, if you need this channel itself, because people know they watch much, I don't know what I go to teach. Comment down in the comment section so that I will know which one you guys prefer the more or the most. Thank you for stopping by. Until I come your way again. Bye.